totally forgot to turn the camera on. But looky here. Yay, a swimming pool. Would you just look at it?
Look at
The
it.
car is not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
I wasn't expecting this. I'm pretty sure it's a natural spring coming up from the ground, but I'm going to have to think about a way that I can really fix this, get this water out of here. Okay, so I think I got it. I don't want to do a sump pump because I feel like it would be constantly running with as much water as coming up from the ground. Probably not the best way, but I'm going to have to dig under the footer and place a drainage pipe under it and have it gravity fed. But first, I got to have a place for the water to go, so I got to dig a drainage ditch. I'm not gonna lie, this was super overwhelming to find a spring right in the middle of where you're digging. It reminded me of what Isaiah said in chapter 43 and verse 2. When you pass through the waters, I will be with you, and through the rivers, they shall not overwhelm you. It's all about perseverance, and through God, we can do anything. Well, that took all day long. Oh, where we left off last, I ran into some roots. Look how big those things are. And they go all the way down. So water's going to pool right there until it gets full enough. Look at the size of these things. Man, that was rough.